Hello and welcome to your dependable favorite news program, CNN. Today we're gonna talk about a very interesting topic that is animal in the streets. We can see a lot of animal problems, like homeless, because most of the people think that they can live in the streets, but no, they can't. And they have a lot of problems with that. They have no love, no home, they are hungry, and they are illness. And they could die in the next days. So it's very important problem. Our reporter Leonardo Garcia will have a special interview with the co-founder of the Rescate Peludo, Enrique Cedillo. Yes, Leonardo. Yeah.
Thank you, Jose Manuel. We are in the co-founder Rescate Peludo house. Now we are going to get in. Hello. Hello.
What are your dogs?
My dogs are my garden because my garden is very big. You can see that it's very big.
Oh. How many dogs do you have?
In this house, I only have 3 dogs. It's good.
What is their names?
The name of my dog is Jack, Cathy, and Rufus.
How many years do you have with them?
I'm 5 years old.
How did you start with this idea?
I started with this idea because I was sad to see dogs in the streets.
Oh, it's okay. Thank you. CNN, thank you for
Your attention.
Actually, we can see a lot of animal problems, like homeless. 50% of the people are 60. What are your dogs?
My dogs are in my garden.
Oh. How many dogs do you have?
Okay.
Thank you, Jose Manuel. We are in the co-founder Rescate Peludo house. Now we are going to.
No, we are going to.
We are in the co-founder Rescate Peludo house. Now we are going to get in.
¡Quique! ¡Ya había salido! No. Ay, no salió.
Go out of my house, mother.